Let's talk about how FryAway works. The first thing to note is that FryAway is not an absorbent like a sponge. Instead, FryAway solidifies oil through a chemical reaction, and therefore requires the oil to be hot in order for it to work. If you sprinkle FryAway into oil that is too cold, nothing will happen. The FryAway powder will not dissolve, and just float on the surface of the oil. So make sure to sprinkle FryAway into the used cooking oil while it is hot. As the flakes dissolve, give the oil a quick stir, and then let it cool down. As the oil cools down, it will turn into a solid which can then be disposed of.